Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your design dreams into reality. Today, we're creating beautiful thank you cards using Canva. Whether it's for a wedding, a birthday, or just to show your appreciation, a personalized thank you card is always a hit. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, no worries. Signing up is quick and free. Now, let's get creative. On the Canva homepage, type "Thank You Card" in the search bar. You'll find a variety of templates to choose from, so pick one that catches your eye and fits the occasion. Once you've selected a template, it's time to make it your own. Click on the template to open the editor. You can change the text, colors, fonts, and images to suit your style. Editing text and background. Let's start with the text. Click on the text box and type your message. Something simple and heartfelt works best. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Next, let's work on the background. Canva offers a vast library of backgrounds and patterns. Click on Elements on the left-hand side and search for a background that matches your theme. You can also upload your own images if you have a specific one in mind. Adding images. Adding personal photos can make your thank you card even more special. Click on Uploads to add your own pictures. Once uploaded, simply drag and drop them onto your design. You can also enhance your card with icons and illustrations. Click on Elements again and search for icons that complement your message, like hearts, flowers, or stars. Adjust the size and placement to fit your design. Adjusting colors. Don't forget to play around with the colors to match your theme. You can change the colors of text, backgrounds, and icons using the color tool at the top. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download your thank you card. Click on the Share button at the top right, and then select Download. Choose your preferred file format. PNG or PDF are great for printing or sharing digitally. And there you have it. Your beautiful thank you card is ready to spread some joy and gratitude. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.